time right now is 2:36 in the morning.
Go on, girl.
We're off to the fish market.
Fish time. Let's go. Fish time. Let's go.
Crab time. Hey, crab time. Let's go. Hey. The right kind of crabs, guys.
We're carrying to the fish market. We're going to hunt for the fish.
Let's just cut out that crab part, yeah. Oh, can't wait to drive again.
Continue on A282 for 2 miles.
Fish time. I made up that song, by the way. Yeah, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So I guess all these vans don't get charged. Are they doing that?
My name is Rafiat CC, and if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. So anyway, we're just going to get straight into it. Today, we're in the kitchen. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm always in the kitchen, so I don't know why I'm excited. So today, anyways, we're making some seafood boil. Yeah, we went all the way to Billingsgate. I'm sure you guys are going to see already to get loads of stuff. So in here, I've got crabs, I've got lobster, that's the word, right? Anyway, I've got everything, shrimp, everything in there, and on the spot I've got sweet corn. And over here we've got all the ingredients. Like, it's quite a lot because we're gonna go through it bit by bit. So this is Maggie, African Fiend, if you know her, Jumbo. Then I got the mixed herbs, oops, oh god. And we've got the seafood seasoning, lemon pepper. Do you know what? I'm not even gonna try and pronounce those here. I give up, but you guys can see. And I got the sea salt, pepper as well. Sorry, salt. That doesn't make any sense. Then we're gonna put a little bit of this because the videos we've been watching, they did put just a little bit of. You guys know what this is, tomato paste. And I've got this black pepper. And yes, we watched so many videos because we need to get this right. We've got this brown sugar, obviously. I think they're quite healthy, right? Are they healthy, guys? Yeah. Anyways, we've got garlic powder. We're not using the actual garlic thing because we prefer just to use this one. Whatever works for you. You guys can use whatever works. Then African, you know we guys love spice. Everything gotta be spicy. So yeah, we've got this up spice over here. Then we're gonna spice it up as well with some sausages. Then what is a lot? We're gonna baby potatoes. And over here we just got onions and we got more pepper. Pepper on top of pepper. This is just Scotch bonnet, and yeah, I think that's it. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're just gonna eggs as well. This is a boil, by the way. This is actually massive. Wow, that's loads of eggs. So, anyways, so you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be showing you guys, or I'm gonna be. I've got albums, by the way, guys. Oh my god, I'm so gassed. Come on, girls. Come on, girls.
She's quite busy already.
Yeah, they're busy doing a lot because I gave them quite a lot. Anyways, this is my sister over here. Can you say hello?
Hello, social distancing.
Go by. So this is my room anyway. We're gonna be making it together, and I've got my little sister over. You guys already know this
Hold
one.
on.
Officially,
Instagram's just here, you know. Twitter's just there.
You already know how we do what it is, Charlotte.
Alright, this one is just a bit extra. So yeah, you guys already know that crazy one. This is the cool one, but she could be crazy sometimes. So today we're all gonna be chefing up, and yeah, this is I'm like very, very excited. This is my first time making girls. Is this your first time making it?
Yeah?
Yeah, this is all our first time making this, but it's going to be lit. Look at all of this. It's going to turn out great. So if you guys want to try as well, make sure you check.
Went Miami last year. And
Miami story.
yeah. Their seafood bangs. It's just,
Oh, does it?
yeah.
Where does this seafood boy come from? It's a Jamaican food, right?
I'm not too sure, you know. But
We don't know. If you guys know where it comes from, we just saw everyone eating it. Everywhere you go on Instagram, you just see seafood boy. So we just thought, why not? So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see you guys in a minute.
I feel like I put too much in the pot.
I'm just gonna tell them what to do because as a boss, like I'm in bad.
You're mad.
You know.
You have to reduce
I just
it.
told them what to do.
There's just a lot in here. There's a lot in here.
That's the whole.
The lobsters. Yeah. Unfortunately, these little critters are already dead. But, you know, put them in there. They're quite heavy, actually. I just need to take off the rubber and scissors.
Yeah, so I've got the assistant chef over here, number 1 and number 2. Sorry. Yeah, whatever. Number 1. They're both
I'm
number
always
1.
number.
Anyways, whatever. Got mine.
So what we've done so far, we've actually just
Go on, babe. Tell them, the chef. Go on, babe.
placed all of the seafood in the pot.
Obviously. No, we didn't place it in the pot. We placed it on the fire.
Anyways, I saw quite a lot of the videos. They did do it bit by bit. But what we're going to do separately to it, we'll put all the seafood to boil in one, and then we're going to put the corn, the potatoes, in another sort of batch.
Yeah, I'm going to go wash this.
Go for it. So we're starting off the seasoning. I'm just going to put some mixed herbs in. Okay. Now guys, I'm African. Don't really measure stuff out. Just when my ancestors tell me to stop, that's when I stop. But I use the cap just to get some sort of gauge of how much to actually put in. So just going to put a capful. About 2 capfuls of goat cheese. Because it is quite a lot of seafood we do have in here.
So yeah, these are the potatoes. We're not putting it just yet because we don't want it too soft.
Seafood seasoning. I'm just placing it in.
It's me.
Somebody come get her.
I feel like we're gonna use all the sizzling for this because it needs to bang like.
Yeah, but I'm not overdoing it because you do have to taste it as it goes along.
Yeah,
can't
you
put
got to
too
taste.
much, so-
Of course not.
Yeah.
I feel like because it's quite a lot, it's gonna take a little bit more for the sizzling to like pop.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Oh
bit by
my word! These people are sort of cheap.
bit. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's a new thing. Look.
This is capitalism for you, love.
Let me see.
Oh my,
Oh
word,
my
that is
God.
sort of
Half
cheap.
of it, half of it.
And that's like £2, I think.
It was that £1 something still.
Yeah, that's still nearly cheap, like £2.
So for real though, that's
Go
not
on,
even,
chef.
That's not even halfway. That's like,
Like, this is the profession. Actually, no, you're not a professional.
My mum's professional.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to be like her one day.
But
Love you, mum.
She's trying to be like her, but this little girl doesn't even, when she's cooking, she's not even in the kitchen with her, bro.
Edge.
So she learns from distance. She's doing virtual learning cooking.
It's not virtual learning. Man knows how to cook. Don't come and embarrass me.
Of course we do know how to cook. That's what we're here, my love. You know?
somebody come get
Patient.
her.
We will mix this, trust me, it's not just...
Anyway, the
Basically
onions
like
are chopped.
You just gotta go with the flow. It is what it is.
A little bit of sea salt.
I like the sound of that.
Satisfying.
Right.
It's weird, but yeah.
The first ingredient I should have started with, which is garlic powder. Really and truly. Just gonna grab a spoon. Put some spoons in here. This is the biggest spoon I've seen ever. I would eat with something like this, not gonna lie to you guys, and feel no type of way about it. We've boiled it for a little bit long, and the lobster, as you can see, has turned red. So just gonna keep that in there. It is a lot going on in here, guys, but you know, it will be left boiling for another probably about 20 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at from there. I know it looks like I'm struggling to you know, mix this, and I am. It's because we've got a lot going on in there.
For me.
And who's the one chefing it up right now?
Come on. I said today, guys, I'm just like, I'm just gonna chill. I'm a start, baby girl. What you talking about?
You know what? This is child labour.
Child labor. Wow. That sounds so. But yeah, I'm just leaving them to like. I already told them what to do. Like, I already done the most part. All you just need to do is just stir it and pour stuff inside. So it's not really that much. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Exactly. So yeah, this should be nice. Hopefully.
Seafood, and we've just kept the broth, and we've put the corn as well as the baby potatoes in here. Just leave that to boil for a bit. Yeah.